This is the IKEA Platsa 80 by 40 by 40 centimeters. It's a storage shelf like this. I will open it and show you how to assemble this shelf from IKEA, from the Platsa system. Okay, this is a pretty big manual for IKEA stuff. Fix it to the wall. What you need: a level, Phillips head screwdriver. These are the hardware tools that you have included, and there is also the template for the wall. This kind of grill thing. Feels pretty solid. Hardware components. The tool also. This is for mounting another kit. 8 like this and 4 like this, and the tool itself. There is this part with 2 holes, and that should be below, inside, like this. So we have this part here, and this edge should be above. Okay, so edge should be above, and they go in something like this. I use this type of screw. It's all metal, so it's pretty easy to install. One more below. Start it with the hand and then use the tool. The second panel goes in the same way. There is this rail. The back here, this is where the edge is, and this tool would go, normally it should go on this side, but I want to put it on this side, on the opposite side. And I have screws, and it's like this. See these 2 holes here? They should align with here or here for that rail. So I have all the screws here. 1 screw here, 1 there, and 1 here, and 1 more screw here. And this is this size, the bigger one. Tighten them. And the last one here. Now you have the screws here for this side. Okay, I think we're kind of ready with this one. I will keep the template. I will keep this. This is an option to connecting 2 units between each other. Also, with a hack, I will use these boxes that are made for the Kallax system, but actually you can throw these boxes in here also, just like that, for storage. I still have these extra screws. These are to connect the units between them. And this one, I think it's for the legs, I'm not sure. But for the wall, you need to use your own screws. You can stack them or mount them sideways, left or right. Thanks for watching.